There are places on this earth that defy logic and awaken wonder, where silence echoes through canyons and stars dance across untouched skies. These are not just destinations, they are living masterpieces, shaped by time, by fire, by water, by something greater than ourselves. Come with us on a journey across the planet's most breathtaking natural wonders, places that stir the soul, humble the heart, and remind us just how beautiful destiny can be. Number 25, Grand Canyon, USA. Carved over many of years by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon is more than a chasm. It's a cathedral of time, layer upon layer of red, gold, and copper stone stretch beyond the horizon, revealing the ancient story of Earth itself. Here, silence isn't empty, it's sacred. To stand on its edge is to stand in awe of nature's patience, its power, and its beauty. Number 24, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Beneath the turquoise waves of Australia's northeast coast lies a world of color and life. The Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 1,400 miles, it is the largest living structure on Earth, home to thousands of species dancing through coral kingdoms. It's a place where life pulses in brilliant patterns, and the ocean whispers stories in every shade of blue. Number 23, Mount Everest, Nepal, the rooftop of the world. Mount Everest rises above the clouds, a silent sentinel wrapped in snow and storm. At 29,032 feet, it has tested the strength and spirit of those who dare to reach its summit. Yet even from afar, it commands reverence. Everest is not just a mountain, it's a dream in stone, kissed by the heavens. Number 22, Sahara Desert, North Africa. Golden, endless, ancient. The Sahara is a vast ocean of sand, shifting beneath the wind's quiet command. Spanning over 3.6 million square miles, it holds secrets in its silence and wisdom in its windswept dunes. Here, time moves differently, slow, sacred, and sun-drenched. Number 21, Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. In the emerald waters of northern Vietnam, limestone giants rise like silent sentinels from the sea. This is Ha Long Bay, shrouded in mist and legend. These jagged isles tell a tale of dragons and dreams. Sailing through its still waters is like drifting through a forgotten myth, mysterious, majestic, and deeply moving. Number 20, Amazon Rainforest, South America. A living, breathing miracle, the Amazon rainforest stretches across 9 countries, sheltering the greatest diversity of life on Earth. Every leaf, every call of a bird, every twist of the river pulses with energy older than civilization. It's not just a forest, it's the beating heart of the planet, wild and wondrous. Number 19, Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Here, the earth doesn't whisper, it roars. 275 separate cascades surge through the jungle to form Iguazu Falls, one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. Mist rises like breath from the earth, and rainbows dance in the sunlight. This is nature in full voice, thundering, sacred, unforgettable. Number 18. Antarctica, the White Continent. At the edge of the world lies a realm of ice and silence. Antarctica is purity personified, an untouched wilderness carved by wind and time. Towering glaciers, drifting icebergs, and skies painted with celestial light make it one of Earth's last great frontiers. Number 17. Banff National Park, Canada. Nestled in the Canadian Rockies, Banff is a storybook brought to life. Mirror-clear lakes reflect towering peaks, alpine meadows bloom in summer gold, and ancient forests stretch into the clouds. From the turquoise waters of Lake Louise to the silence of snow-covered trails, Banff whispers peace into every soul that passes through. Number 16. The Aurora Borealis, Arctic regions. Some wonders are written not on the land, but across the sky. The Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, paints the heavens with ribbons of emerald, violet, and fire. In the frozen silence of the Arctic night, they dance like spirits, ephemeral and eternal. No words, no photograph, no recording can capture their true magic. You simply have to be there and feel it. Number 15. Pali Coast, Hawaii, USA. Carved by wind, water, and time, Hawaii's Pali Coast is nature in its most dramatic form. Towering emerald cliffs rise over 4,000 feet above the Pacific, draped in mist and cascading waterfalls. This 17-mile stretch on Kauai's north shore is untouched by roads, accessible only by foot, boat, or air. Ancient Hawaiians once thrived here, and their spirit still echoes in the valleys. The Pali Coast isn't just scenery. It's sacred, wild, and unforgettable. Number 14. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. Where land meets sea in the most poetic of ways, the cliffs of Moher rise from Ireland's western edge like sentinels from an ancient story. They stand tall against crashing Atlantic waves, shrouded in mist, wind, and legend. Every gust of salty air carries the whispers of Celtic myths and the invitation to simply feel small. Number 13. Mount Fuji, Japan. Rising gracefully to 3,776 meters, Mount Fuji is Japan's highest peak and its most iconic symbol. This majestic volcano, perfectly symmetrical, has inspired artists, poets, and pilgrims for centuries. Though dormant since 1707, Fuji remains alive in spirit, a sacred site woven into Japanese culture and mythology. Whether dusted with snow or glowing at sunrise, Mount Fuji is more than a mountain. It's a timeless expression of beauty, balance, and national pride. Number 12. Jokulsarlon, Glacier Lagoon, Iceland. In Iceland's frozen south, Jokulsarlon is a dreamscape of drifting ice and ethereal silence. Icebergs, some crystal clear, others tinged in blue, float across a still lagoon, reflecting the changing sky. It's a place of haunting beauty, where fire-born land meets the ancient breath of ice. Number 11. Zhangjiajie, Sandstone Pillars, China, so surreal they seem otherworldly. The sandstone spires of Zhangjiajie rise like natural skyscrapers through the mist. These forested columns inspired the floating mountains of Avatar, but their real-life majesty is even more stirring. Step into this ancient vertical forest and let gravity and time slip away. Number 10. Golapagos Island, Ecuador. The Golapagos Islands, located about 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador, are one of the most unique ecosystems on the planet. Formed by volcanic activity, these islands are home to rare species like giant tortoises, marine iguanas, and flightless cormorants. Their isolation has led to an incredible variety of wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, making them a natural treasure for science and conservation. Number 9. Mount Bromo, Indonesia. Rising from a sea of volcanic sand, Mount Bromo is one of Indonesia's most iconic and otherworldly landscapes. Located in East Java, this active volcano constantly breathes smoke into the sky, surrounded by a vast caldera and rolling ash plains. At sunrise, the view turns surreal. Golden light bathing the crater, mist drifting through ancient peaks. Sacred to the Tengger people, Mount Bromo is not just a geological wonder, it's a place where fire meets faith and earth touches the heavens. Number 8. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 4,000 square miles in the heart of Bolivia. Once a prehistoric lake, it now dazzles as a vast white desert of salt crust, shimmering under the Andean sun. In the rainy season, it transforms into a natural mirror, blending earth and sky into one breathtaking reflection. Salar de Uyuni isn't just a place, it's a surreal experience where nature's extremes meet in quiet, majestic harmony. Number 7. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Yellowstone National Park, located primarily in Wyoming, is America's first national park and one of the most geologically active areas on Earth. It sits atop a massive supervolcano and features over 10,000 hydrothermal wonders, including geysers, hot springs, and mud pots. The park is also home to diverse wildlife like bison, wolves, and grizzly bears, making it a living showcase of natural beauty and ecological balance. Number 6. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. Step into a hidden Eden, Plitvice Lakes, where turquoise waters spill gracefully over travertine terraces. 16 crystalline lakes connect through hundreds of waterfalls, surrounded by whispering forests and soft mossy trails. It's a fairy tale made real, where water flows like poetry and every path leads to serenity. Number 5. The Dead Sea, Israel, Jordan. At the lowest point on Earth, the Dead Sea glistens like liquid silver beneath the desert sun. Its waters are so rich in salt that nothing sinks, offering a strange, serene stillness to those who float upon it. But there is more here than salt and silence. There is healing, history, and the feeling of being suspended between heaven and earth. Number 4. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Along the rugged coast of Northern Ireland, ancient hexagonal stones rise like steps for giants. Formed by volcanic fury, yet shaped like careful design, The Giant's Causeway blurs the line between myth and geology. Walk among these basalt columns and feel the presence of legend beneath your feet. Number 3. The Dolomites, Italy. In northern Italy, the Dolomites rise like ancient guardians, a stunning range of pale, jagged peaks carved by glaciers and time. These mountains aren't just beautiful, they're alive with history, legend, and breathtaking contrasts. At dawn and dusk, their rocky faces glow with a magical pink hue, a phenomenon known as enrosadera. Whether you're hiking alpine trails, skiing powdery slopes, or simply admiring the view, the Dolomites offer a majestic blend of nature's power and elegance. It's more than a mountain range, it's a masterpiece. Number 2. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Hidden deep within Venezuela's Canaima National Park, Angel Falls plunges from the heavens, the tallest waterfall on Earth, dropping an astonishing 3,212 feet. Its waters seem to fall in slow motion, turning to mist before they reach the jungle floor. Named after aviator Jimmy Angel, who first flew over it in 1933, this natural wonder is as remote as it is majestic. Angel Falls isn't just the highest, it's a breathtaking reminder of nature's untamed beauty. Number 1. Antelope Canyon, USA. Hidden beneath the Arizona desert lies Antelope Canyon, a surreal masterpiece carved by water and time. Its narrow passageways twist and turn like flowing ribbons, with sandstone walls glowing in shades of orange, red, and gold. As sunlight filters through the cracks above, beams of light dance across the canyon floor, creating an almost otherworldly experience. Sacred to the Navajo people, Antelope Canyon is not just a slot canyon. It's a sacred space sculpted by nature's quiet power. These 25 wonders are more than landscapes. They are sacred spaces where Earth reveals her soul. And perhaps, in their silence and scale, we find pieces of ourselves. So keep exploring, keep chasing beauty, and let the world remind you just how extraordinary this journey can be.